Welcome back, guys, to our second class of Photoshop. And so, in our last class, we talk about how we get to this page. So, I know if you are here, that means you watched the first video. If not, just go back and get the first model. Yeah. So, let's continue. We have this is our page that is already set up. Like I said, you can see our layer is right here, and we have our tool around here. We have our Canva and we have this. So let's continue on our page setup. We'll set up our page. So don't be surprised. So there are some things you just need to know so that you don't get about when maybe if you're using somebody else system, then you see something change a little bit. So this you can literally bring this out. You can bring this out, bring this out, you can decide to bring this out, bring this out, bring this out, bring this out. Like depending on what you want. It's your own preferences. That's what you want. Anyhow you want, you can arrange your stuff any way you want it. So these are workspace. This is what we call a workspace. You can decide to arrange your workspace anyhow you want it. Although obviously this is not right. So now the issue now is most times happens to everybody, even the most professional of us. Like maybe you are in the A's and you are in the A's and you're trying to sort out something, you might just end up bringing something out like this. But now be like, oh, this is a mess. Yeah, it's an actual mess. So there's a way to clean it up. If you have something like this, you have different workspace. You can come to your window, come to here, you have a workspace. You can see the workspace you are using is already checked, which is essential default, right? That's the default. When you click back on it, you'll be like, oh, it's supposed to be back, but nothing happened. Let's go back again. Click on it, nothing happened. Like, wow, something is wrong there. Nothing is wrong. So what you have to do is click on window workspace and come back to reset essential. Boom. You can see just like a magic, we have everything arranged back the way it was. You get that? So that's how to rearrange it. So you have different workspace. You have graphics and web. You can see something change here. You have you have motion, you have motion, we have painting, we have photography, depending on what anyone you want. You can see painting, we have different type of brush and all of that. So basically you're using the essential for so this is what we have. So at any point in time when you mess it up, you can always go back here, the workspace, and you have this. So that's that about that. Okay. Now let's assume we are close this our layer. We can close this, we can close everything we want. So always can always come out to window workspace and set essential things going to come back. So that's that. So now that's that about the layer, Canva and the panel, Canva and the tool. Let's talk about the other things concerning our page. We have these are our status. So this status just shows the status of our PC. Hey, let's start from the little one. We have the zoom. You can see my zoom right here. Let me try this. You can see my zoom right here. I'm having a zoom of 33%. But let me zoom in. You can see as I'm zooming in, it's coming back to 64 or thereabout. So when you go back to the page, which is Control plus O, is my page like this. So we're going to see it right here. Same thing, we have another one here which is showing us if you can remember what we said that time, we said 5.5 inches and it's 5 resolution. So you can see it's what it's showing us here. We're showing us in pixel 2500 by 2500 pixel 500 resolution. So you can have more than that. In this, if you click this arrow, you can see you can have different um thing that you want, the GPU mode, measurement scale, strat timing, layer count, and all of that. So you can have anything, but basically, we usually leave it at document dimension. That's about that. So we have what we call the action panel. So the action panel, this is the action panel here. The action panel differs by the tools that you are using. Let me repeat again. Action panel changes based on what you are using. And so my move that I can have, I see you have this, and I have the move too. And I click on the on our marquee tool, you can see the action changes. This it changes. I click on our brush, it changes. You can see you can have different type of brush that you want. So all of this the changes, that's what we call the action uh due to the action that you call. So you are going to change based on the action that you call. So that's that about the action. Now we have the next, which is our menu bar. Menu bar. So we have the menu, we have all this kind of your menu where we change our workspace to see menu, which is on that window. When you want to open a file, you want new file, you know, see under your menu bar. So that being said, I think that's wrap up the modules of this as page setup. So in the next module, we are going to continue on how to open a file in Photoshop. Okay, thank you. See you next class.